If you wanna get views, you get more subscribers, more watch time. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all the tips you need, the secrets you need to do in the 2025. Then you get your channel growing fast, you get a lot of views, you get thousands of views, if not millions of views. You grow fast in the 2025. There are different secrets that I'm gonna share in this video, and this is the only video you need if you wanna grow very fast in the 2025. So without further ado, let's get into video. Actually, to grow very fast and get more views, more subscribers in 2025, first thing you need to work on your title. Video title is everything. You need to make your video title to be catching the viewers, because YouTube wants people to who click on the video and stay on the platform. Don't use titles and thumbnail which are clickbaits, because it's like clickbait thumbnail and titles is when you give a title to a video and the thumbnail, but when a viewer clicks on the video, like me, if I click on the video and I find inside the video what you promised in the title and the thumbnail, actually you find that they are not matching. There I'm gonna click off the video, and for some cases, and even for some channels, and for my own reasons, I even unsubscribe if I have already subscribed. So you have to avoid those kind of like clickbaits. So make sure you make a title that catches the viewer on the platform. Okay. Number two, you need to work on your thumbnail. Actually, your video thumbnail is also everything, but of course it has to go with the title. If a title is kind of confusing and not attractive to viewers, and if it is not creating curiosity, of course even the thumbnail, they are not matching, people are not gonna click on it. So make sure the thumbnail and the title, they are kind of like helping each other to help the viewer to click on the video, and of course to help you as a content creator. So you have made a great thumbnail, you have made a great title. Then what is next? Viewers are gonna click on your video. So when they click on your video, you need to keep the viewers on the platform. So that takes me to hook. That is where you have to make viewers actually who clicked on the video, you have to hook them to stay on the platform. And you have got, for long form content creators, you have got actually 15 seconds. Some YouTubers recommend 30 seconds, but I recommend 15 seconds. Then you can start, you can hook them, you give them a reason why they should stay on the video and they watch you longer. So when you hook them, viewers are gonna stay on the platform, and any video that gets average view duration around 3 minutes plus or higher, it's likely to go viral, it's likely to get more views. So target that if you can, then you're good to go. Then after hooking the viewer, you need to learn some editing techniques. You need to use like CapCut. You can use Adobe Premiere if you know video editing, but even if you don't know, just find a software or mobile app, editing app, so that you can at least cut some sections of the videos where you ramble around or where you made mistakes when you are recording your video. Cut off those kind of unnecessary footage or video clips or parts. Then you're good to go. There you're gonna make it. So after doing that, after learning editing techniques and tips, you need also to shoot what we call B-roll or L-roll, like talking head videos like I'm doing. Then you can add some clips which we call B-roll. Then you can put them during editing. You make your videos interesting. So when you make viewers watching your videos, you're gonna blow up. And another thing I would advise you need to have a niche. If you wanna grow very fast in 2025, have a niche, because YouTube is pushing small channels, by the way, and those content creators, they have to have a niche, because if you wanna serve everyone on YouTube, you're gonna end up not serving any. Okay, there are those niches which are likely to get more views and more subscribers, by the way. So if you're a content creator, you need to have a niche. If you don't have a niche, it's gonna be very hard in 2025, because there is a high competition. Different people are bringing videos on the platform, so you have to be competitive and be making videos which stand out. It's only way that is gonna make you go viral and get more views. So some niches like educational niche, entertainment niche, comedy niches, they are getting more views in 2025. So if you make videos faceless channels, there are those like news channels, there are those who decide to use the AI, there are those who make crypto kind of channels, there are those who make finance channels which talk about money. Usually they are also getting more attention, so you can try that if you can. And of course, if you make educational videos like I'm doing, YouTube growth tips, those channels are blowing up very fast. So think of joining in, okay? So that is for the niche, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on niche. Let's go to another point. You need also to understand, if you want to grow very fast on YouTube and actually get more views, there are different tips which I'm still sharing here. You need actually, so if you want to grow in this 2025, you need to start making YouTube shorts. If you want to jump in and grow very fast, there are some things you need to also put into consideration. Channels which upload YouTube shorts, they are likely to grow fast in 2025. And of course, YouTube shorts, they are pushed by YouTube algorithm so fast compared to long form content. So it's better you post YouTube shorts. But if you post a lot of YouTube shorts and they get more attention, you go viral, it means if you get more viewers who watch YouTube shorts and they don't watch long form videos, your channel is gonna kill your views. So that is why some content creators say that that is why small content creators say that shorts killed their channels, because they are uploading YouTube shorts in a wrong way. So you need to upload the shorts. If you decide to upload the shorts along with the long form content on the same channel, you need to upload the shorts which are related to your long form videos, such that you're gonna be linking your YouTube shorts to long form videos, so that if your short go viral, people are gonna click on that short, then they watch your long form videos. That is the way, actually that is how people use YouTube shorts to drive those viewers or audience into long form videos. Then they can get more watch time from your long form videos, which contribute to monetization. Okay, so you need to do that, and you need to make videos on trending topics if you wanna go viral. Trending topics, they can be found when you watch other content creators. You can check those videos they are making, or your competitors, actually other people who make the same or similar videos that you make. Then you can watch them, you see what is working for them, you can find your own spin on it, you make it unique, then you record those videos also. You can work on those topics. By the way, if you go to Google, you can check googletrends.com. When you check there, you can see different trending topics, and then you make videos around there. You can use ChatGPT, you can use other different AI kind of tools to get different video ideas. I mean, like ChatGPT is one of, you can get more video ideas. You can use YouTube inspiration tab or button on YouTube. It's in your YouTube studio. Then you can inspire and getting suggested topics there. YouTube can help you to do that. You can check what your audience, other channels they are watching. Then you make kind of similar or related videos to those topics which are going viral. You can, by the way, use what is called a VidIQ. They call it VDIQ. I don't know if I'm like pronouncing it well, but VidIQ or VDIQ, it is like a kind of viral kind of detector platform or website. So you can check there, you can sign up, then use what is so-called outlier. Then you can compare videos which are going viral from different content creators and from different niches. Then it's gonna help you, VidIQ, to know actually which video topics you can work on. It's amazing. Go ahead, I recommend you can check it there. It's very simple to identify or detect those videos which are going viral and become successful on this YouTube street or platform. So please do your best, start doing that, then you're gonna blow up. And another tip I want to share, I've seen content creators saying, no, don't share your videos, don't tell anyone about your YouTube channel, but you should. And one of the employees of YouTube in a few years, he talked about how content creators and people make videos, YouTubers should reach out to other platforms and other social media like Instagram, like Facebook, TikTok, whatever social media you use, even X, which is known as Twitter. You can reach out there. You post different videos and pictures and photos. You actually make you increase your reach, because YouTube is gonna recommend your videos, but you should also take some steps, and then you start sharing your videos. So you should be sharing your videos like on WhatsApp. You can reach there and find there are people who are there, they are ready to watch you. So post there, but make sure you do it the right way. And I'm gonna be making different videos on how you can share your videos like on Facebook pages. You can join different groups and share your videos there. But of course, if you do it the wrong way, it's gonna kill your channel, because viewers are not gonna stop, are gonna subscribe, and if they don't watch your videos, it's gonna hurt the growth of your YouTube channel and the views you get on YouTube channel. So here on this channel, that is why you should subscribe for more content like this one, because I'm gonna be sharing different tips so that you can become successful here on YouTube. So I'm gonna be making different videos. If you're watching this video at a later date, you can check on this channel again. This is where I'm gonna make a video on how you can share your videos on Facebook. I'm gonna share with you the tips on how you can join the right groups that are gonna be watching your videos. I'm gonna be sharing the tips on how you can share you can join different groups on WhatsApp, and then you share your videos there. Then you get more external traffic sources, and of course YouTube is gonna do its work or its job to recommend your videos. Of course, if you make videos, audience watch it, because YouTube algorithm follows the audience. So you should be making YouTube videos for audience, not just for algorithm, because algorithm is just machines. They are like technology. They are following actually what viewers are watching. So if you make videos that viewers are watching, and I've shared the tips in this video, and of course more tips are coming in other videos, but you need to do that, then you're gonna grow fast, you're gonna blow on YouTube. And by the way, YouTube is pushing small channels on the platform, so you should jump in and start creating videos. If you're out there and you are still like you need the gear is not a problem. Just record videos and keep improving, learn techniques, then you're gonna become successful on this YouTube. And I'm on it, and I don't want to make this video too long. It's already long enough. And if you're still watching this video until this point, it means you're enjoying what we do. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one, and just be creative. Work on your thumbnail, work on your niche, make better titles, make better kind of videos on trending topics. Find your own spin. check Use different kind of tools on YouTube which are gonna help you to make better videos, do some editing techniques. Keep learn from other audience, find what is working for you, then do that. Post YouTube shorts, post long form videos, and of course share your videos, then you're gonna become successful. I love you so much. I'm Emmanuel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Watch one of the videos. I'll see you there. Bye bye.